Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burger gravy using an easy method. It's perfect for topping your favorite burgers, mashed potatoes, or even rice. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 2 cups of beef broth. Let's get cooking. First, brown your 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked through. Once the beef is nicely browned, make sure to drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a less greasy gravy. Next, add your chopped medium onion and 2 minced cloves of garlic to the skillet. Sauté these aromatics until they become soft and wonderfully fragrant, usually about 3 to 5 minutes. This builds a fantastic flavor base. Now, let's create the thickening agent for our gravy. Sprinkle 2 level tablespoons of all-purpose flour directly over the cooked beef and vegetables in the skillet. Stir this mixture constantly for about 1 minute. This helps to cook out the raw flour taste, ensuring a smooth and delicious gravy. Then, gradually whisk in 2 full cups of beef broth. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and there are no lumps. This forms the base of your rich gravy. Finally, bring your gravy to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. You'll notice it will start to thicken beautifully as it cooks. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. Before serving, taste the gravy and adjust the seasonings with salt and black pepper as needed. This easy burger gravy is now ready to be poured generously over your favorite dishes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.